What is up, guys, and welcome back to another portfolio update. Currently, we're sitting at all-time highs at $46,725. We were up around $4,000 today, or around 9.25% of my account. I do want to go ahead and jump into my monthly and year-to-date returns, and then we're going to jump into every single holding in my account, hit on them very briefly. But before I do, I want you guys to go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys hold any of these stocks that I will show today. And then if you guys are new, first of all, welcome. Go ahead and click that free link in the description down below and join up on our free Discord, where we do have around 500 profitable members over there. Now let's go ahead and get into the monthly returns, where I am up around 31.42%, or around $11,186. Now, this is a great return, and going over to the year to date, it's about just as good, up around 28% for around $10,150. Now you can see this 28% is severely outpacing the market, which is going to be my first holding. I own one share of S&P just to compare myself to the market. Currently, the market is up around 3.5%, so my 28% is outpacing that beautifully. Let's go ahead and jump right into my main holdings. I do want to go ahead and jump over to my holdings equity-wise, where you can see our top holding is going to be Hims & Hers, which has been absolutely ripping. Hims & Hers was up 27% today off of no news, no earnings, nothing. They have earnings coming up in 2 weeks, but this profited me $2.5 thousand, or around that 27%. I am now up around $6,728 on this position for around 132%. Has been an absolute great holding for me, and Hims is up around 139% year to date. Just an insane run up. We've been watching this stock since way back in October of 2024, but that is not where it stops. We have multiple other holdings that have been ripping today, where we have Robinhood reported earnings beating EPS by over 100%. Price targets are being raised to around $100, guys, and my average cost is $40.44, where I own around 125 shares, and I was up around $911 today for around 13% following that good earnings. And over my full-time holding, Robinhood, we are now up around $2,800, or around 56% of this position. Now, this is another really great position. They have been performing insane, around 63.99% year to date. Another great holding, outperforming the market, insane. Now, getting into our next stock here, we're going to have Oklo, which is another one of my biggest returns, where I have a return of around $2,529 for around 105%. This has been a really good return, and this stock actually rebounded today after being down around 6.5%, came back, broke about even, and currently we're sitting at a gain of $33 for today. But I do expect Oklo to continue higher. I expect to see around a $70 price target by the end of the year, maybe even $100 if we can get some bullish news. But that being said, we are already up around 160% year to date, so this stock has netted me a great profit so far. Getting into our next stock here, we are going to have Nvidia, where you can see I have around 30 shares of Nvidia at $119. I was able to grab that dip about 2 weeks ago, and it has paid off pretty well. I'm up around $469 right now for around 13% of my account, and around 2.89% of that came today, or around $113. Now, Nvidia is still red on the year by about 0.5%, so I am waiting for Nvidia to really start that explosive phase like they always seem to do. Getting into our next stock here, we do have ASTS, which is a recent ad that I've had. I do like ASTS here, and I do think they are a great buy under all-time highs. I think ASTS is headed to $56 and then $76 respectively. I have around 100 shares. I continue to add more. I think we are getting a dip down to 25 very soon, and I plan to add there. But even if I don't get that, I'm fine with holding what I have, and I'm fine watching that grow. But as you can see, I am now up around $233 on this position, or around 8.4% in my account. 8.4% on this position, I'm sorry, but I've only been holding this position for about 3 days, so starting out, this is a really great return. Getting into our next stock here, you can hear my dog whining in the back, sorry about that, but we do have Tesla. These next two positions are going to be my last two, where I am actually negative on these two positions, and they are two of my most bullish positions that I have for 2025. So we are coming in with Tesla here. I'm down around 7.82% on this account for around $606. My average price is $387. It's a little high. I would like to bring this down, but we didn't get the dip that like we were expecting. I was really expecting to see sub 300s. Right around that $300 range was where I had my support. Hopefully we can still get down there, maybe even to that $275 range, where I can, add in more, bring that average down, and see it pay off later. But going over to my last holding here, you can see that we have Oscar Health. Oscar Health is my most bullish stock for 2025. That is still red, to be honest, we are down around 3.8% year to date, and today it was down about 5.09%. I'm down around $1,000 on Oscar right now, or around 11.74%, but I love watching this share price go down. I'm loving watching myself lose money right now because I cannot wait to continue to add more, and that's what I've been doing. I have around 550 shares at $14.93, where I did have around 16 shares at $16.65 at one point, and then I've averaged all the way down to around $15. So that was really it for me, guys. You can see I am now up around 28% year to date, or around $10,000. Drop a comment down below how much you guys are up year to date. Let me know down there. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see next. And then also, if you guys are new, make sure you guys do take advantage of that free Discord down below. See you guys in the next video.